Alright, moving into a part 2 because I accidentally stopped the other video. It's uploading now. So we got our HD audio, our USB front panel, and power LED, power switch, and then underneath there is the other the HDD LEDs. So next, we are now going to start getting fans and power supply situated. And we still have our USB-C, but we're going to wait until we install this card. I think we're going to put this card in the PCI by 4 slot. We'll check the instructions on that, because our Wi-Fi card can also go in that PCI by 1, either one of them. We'll see how the layout works out. We want to make this look nice and packed. Alright, fan layout, we're going to go 3 at the bottom, because we're going to want to cool this beast of a graphics card once we get that in. Get the triple cooler design. Once this goes in, it'll be right there like that. And we're going to go 2 fans at the top. So forcing that good cool air onto the graphics card. Exhaust, intake with them big boy 140s. So we're going to get these fans installed, get all the wires taken back there. We did install, before we put in anything else in the back power supply wise, we went ahead and our 8-pin CPU and our 24-pin motherboard, we got those installed. Gosh, I love how that's just so tight right there. That's, you know, this is a perfect fit. Vetru V5 on the Fandom Gaming 4 from ASRock. Just such a tight fit. So we're gonna get these fans actually screwed in. We'll get the 2 at the top, and then we'll turn it around and show you the back. Well, we found another fan. So 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. Yeah, so 3, 6, 9, 11 fans in this tiny little case. And really, we could put 3 more 120s right there, but that's, I don't know, I don't have 3 more 120s to go. So yeah, it's coming along. I'll show you the back here in a second. There is the back. Time for cable management. We'll get the power supply in right here after we get all this cabling managed. So be a few minutes.